See, if you talk about book, so still if you see, I consider, see, if you talk about one favorite book I don't have, I have expected good things are many books. Still the old book Ramayana teaches me how to live in Maryadas. You have a boundaries. So for a social life, you need Maryada.
I have committed wholehearted support to this phenomenal initiative by the CRC Group called The Joy of Reading. The goal is to have 1 million children by the end of 2027.
Any new book that used to come out when the session would start, I would end up reading all the chapters as soon as it came to me. Reading enabled me get a perspective which was very different from what I already knew. And I think it's very important for any human being, if they want to evolve, if they want to grow, reading is very important.